Guys, welcome back to Minecraft, and my sister and I have built this doggy hospital, and since all of our houses have villagers in it, we decided to make a hospital, and let's get in. So this is kind of the ambulance. You can walk to the hospital or you can ride. And I'm gonna push this villager there. It's going. I'm just pushing him over. Villager, get it. There. The villager's up. Now I'm gonna push him down. Bye. Have a good trip. And let me show you it from a little farther away. Here it is. It's a dog. And here it's like pink ears. Up here is this time. And here is its nurse hat. It's got on this little grass that we built. It wasn't already here. Here's its little tail. I'll pause. And let's go inside. Here's the first story, and the bottom story is just the same, and has the beds that you can rest up or you do your thing, and you have these little bandanas to give you privacy, and it's the same thing down here, but kind of the same. And we have the trapdoor ladders, and we also have stairs, so you can take either one. There's people hiding in the air, but a lot of people are just going to use the stairs. But it's just so easy with the ladder. And bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.